Get in the air. What are you guys shooting?
Okay, you're done. Okay, wait, now hold it on your shoulder. Okay, take your index finger, press this button.
Put it up a little bit.
Press it.
There you go.
But take your left hand, kind of hold it in your shoulder a little bit.
What do you mean?
Press that button. With your right hand though. Okay, with your left hand, pull this
okay.
magazine out. Okay, put on safe. Okay, pull this back a couple times, like hardcore.
But tell her to look though. No, right here. When you pull it, look right here.
Oh, okay.
You see anything?
Okay.
No.
At the same time you pull that. Okay, take your left hand. So you gotta kind of put all the pressure on your shoulder. When you pull that back, take your left hand, press this button down here. Ready? Okay, now push this in. Good.
Okay, cool.
See, now I know it's all good. Okay, now check it out. So there's no round in there. Okay, hit that button. That's when you put the magazine in.